Hello and welcome back to another vlog here today. Today I'm back here at Six Flags Over Georgia for another adventure right outside of Acrophobia. It is still down currently. Don't know when it's gonna come back up, but hopefully soon. But back here at Six Flags Over Georgia for July 4th Fest, even though I don't think they're calling it that this year, but we still are because that's what it's been. But nonetheless, gonna bring you along for this adventure and have a lot of fun. And today is 4th of July itself as the recording of this. But that being said, let's go have ourselves an adventure. Starting the day off with the cyclone. There we go. Really quick, just got off of Twisted Cyclone, as y'all saw. Oh my goodness, a bug on my arm. But yes, look at this new merchandise right here. Look how epic this looks. Twisted Cyclone, brand new merch. It is $17.99, as you can see there. And then this one right here is what you see right here of Goliath. This is really, really epic, really nice. And then $17.99 for all of these. But yeah, Goliath since 2006, as you can see there, and Maximum Thrill. That looks so epic. And of course, these Conquered Goliath, or you got the other ones that say I got conquered by Goliath. They're relatively older, but these are definitely newer. So just wanted to bring these to your attention. Absolutely epic new merch, seriously. But first stop, VIP lounge to refill our drinks. So the park is absolutely, oh, by the way, my free soft cookie from the VIP lounge. But they have the American flags all around the park, as you can see, and the bunting and everything that's on the Crystal Pistol, all this stuff. But yeah, it is quite dead here today at the park. It is not busy. We're gonna loop around here through, I don't know, we're gonna hit up all the patriotic themed or colored coasters around the park and just explore, have a great day, because again, as you all can see and attest, it is not busy whatsoever. And look at this thing right here. The Rock and Raz lemonade made with Skittles. Looks really, really sweet and interesting. But maybe gonna try that another day. And this is the softest cookie I've ever had, my goodness. And it's free, so it tastes even better. But we're going around here, Fred and I, and headed straight on through. All right, y'all, just had to make a pit stop really quick near the former Splash Waterfalls, and my goodness, look at this progress. They have torn it up from the pathway where it would typically lead you to the ride, right down there, and then just around here, they have started tearing up the trough. They have removed the shrubbery straight ahead that was right there, and then yeah, they're going all around and straight on through. They've taken it up so far so well, and this should be done mid-July as far as removing the former attraction, the trough, everything. And then yeah, because they're making tremendous progress on this, and at the time of recording it's July 4th, so by hopefully next month, as predicted, they should have the new announcement for what is going to be coming here, or if nothing, just a smooth grassy land that they may have, but hopefully not. But yeah, this is really crazy to see how much progress they've made, and wow, they are tearing this down quickly. It is absolutely crazy to see all that demolition taking place quickly and swiftly, so that's amazing now. But yeah, so they have, in the Metropolis, they have all the booths still open that are still up for the end of today at the time of recording, 4th of July. For the fireworks party that'll happen this way, the fireworks will be over there. And then, which you'll see in the outro of this video, the fireworks. The Battle for Metropolis is closed today. The park is relatively slow and it's not busy whatsoever, so not a bad thing. But we're still here, back at the park, going to look to see how long this line is for Superman Ultimate Flight. Maybe get on this and continue having a blast. So it looks like they did remove the single rider entrance over there. It's just for flash passes. I wonder why. Because you remember I did that video. If you haven't, check it out on the iCard right there in the description down below. But I did a video of riding all of the coasters that have single rider queues, just straight walk-ons. It was absolutely amazing. But as you can see, by the way, it is very, very humid here today. It is very hot. I don't know why. I do know why. It's July and we're in the South. We're in Georgia. That was relatively a dumb question. But we're here walking through this super long queue. It's not busy. It looks like it's just up here towards the actual station, so pretty station waity, but they're making us go. Obviously, we have to go this long way, this long path, but super hyped to get on Superman. As you can see, pretzel loop's no joke. All right, let's get on it. Change of plans. We are exiting the queue of Superman. It is quite backed up, kind of right over here. Mainly because they're running one train here on 4th of July. So, but understandably so in a sense because it's not that busy. But still, it's a holiday. I don't know, but we're not going to, you know, bash them of any sort. But positive vibes. We're gonna head over to Scream Machine and Blue Hawk and maybe something else that I actually haven't filmed. So we're gonna get on these and have a you know, a great day nonetheless, and we're gonna keep having fun. But yeah, hopefully we're gonna loop around though and see if that queue gets better. Maybe they add another train on the track, but we'll see once we loop around and get on these other coasters. Unfortunately right now for Scream Machine, it is stopped maybe, I don't know how long on the brake run right there. There's only 4 people at the front of the train. It is stuck on the lift hill currently. So yeah, most patriotic coaster here that I wanted to get on. Plus, I still have not gotten on this yet this season. So we're gonna head over here to Blue Hawk, which is running. Hopefully more than one train, get on that. Hopefully this gets back working, and then hopefully Superman is a little quicker. But we're gonna give it a go. Keep up the good vibes, loop around here, and get on some twisty turns. And you can see that this area is still all decked out for the holiday, the 4th of July. All of the decor decorations looking really spiffy. Of course, the firework party ends tonight, $30, as you can see there. They still have the artwork over there, and yeah, the Metropolis area. Also, by the way, quick turn, they still have the other vehicle right there, the other train that you can take photos of. So, but we're looping around here to Blue Hawk. Hopefully is running more than one train. Cross your fingers, hopefully, but we'll see here in a second and take you all along for the ride. Oh my goodness, what a beautiful thing. It is a walk-on, a station wave, straight walk-on right here right now. Not a bad thing whatsoever. We gotta win right here. Finally, we caught a victory. This thing's moving. Oh, little Jakey right there. Head chopper. Blue Hawk, yeah, memories. Woo! Woo! I'll let you know tomorrow. Yeah. Head chopper. Woo! Corkscrew. Double corkscrew. Oh! Little Jakey. Head chopper. We did it. All right, just got off of Blue Hawk, as you saw there. It was a little jankier this time than I've ever experienced it. But yeah, looping her back around. By the way, when we got off of Blue Hawk and we're leaving the queue right now, they just finally let them down the lift, the drop on Scream Machine. But we're gonna go check it out and see if it's running again. They were doing tests, but we'll see. Man, oh man, it is a perfect water park Hurricane Harbor day, but we're not going there today. We're doing all patriotic themed coasters and other rides and whatnot. But yeah, so we'll see if Scream Machine, how long this is gonna be down. We'll wait down here a little bit since the queue backed up or it cleared out. We're gonna see and then keep on going. All right, headed up Scream Machine. Fred and I, first time riding it this season for me. He's been on it before this season. Heard it was smoother, but yeah, we're gonna see. It's still woody, but we're still gonna see. Yeah, so we're moving along. By the way, happy birthday to America and happy birthday to Scream Machine. 50 years for Scream Machine this year, so yeah, moving along. Beautiful views, former tallest ride. Oh my goodness, why are we crawling up this lift hill? My goodness. Please don't. What is this? Is this the new Blue Hawk? The Blue Hawk Kitty? micro action. Get woody, gotta love it. Hands up, hands up. Woo! Someone fix the brake run!
He's still not.
They kind of reprofiled the brake run. Let's go. I heard it, seen it, and experienced it. Pretty good. Screen Machine. Just got off of Screen Machine. It was actually very, very smooth today. Like, yeah, they were right. It's much better this year. So, yeah, pretty good. Gonna look back over here with Superman and see about where that specialty drink is, but keep on moving. We're picking up, making progress here, having a pretty darn good day. But yeah, let's keep on going and see. All right, again, we're leaving the queue again. That's my last go with that. The reason being, it's even a little bit further backed up. Again, running one train for Superman, but all good. Get on it next time. I'm saying, sorry if I'm shiny. It is super, super humid out today. My goodness, like it's different. July is different here in Georgia and at this park in general, but let's see about the specialty drink though. All right, here we are, Fred. We got our specialty sparkler punches from the Metropolis, Munchopolis snacks in the Metropolis section of the park. Really good. You can see for 4th of July Fest. Oh, let me move this here. Six Flags Fireworks Celebration by Coca-Cola, they're calling it this year. But this has Sprite. It has a little peach, strawberry, and Pop Rocks that you see they added. Here's a little sip for you all right there. But yeah, gonna give this a go, let you know how it is. But it looks really good. Wow, that is actually pretty good. They added the peach to it this year that makes it a lot better than when I had it 2 years ago. But the Pop Rocks is a nice mixture. Pretty good. I'm gonna finish this and I'll see you all soon. My goodness. This is refreshing. And with that being said, that'll do it for me today here at Six Flags Over Georgia on, at the time of recording, 4th of July. Hopefully you all had a happy 4th of July celebration and was safe and whatnot, but that includes our Six Flags celebration, fireworks celebration is what they're calling it, but 4th of July Fest nonetheless. But hopefully y'all enjoyed joining me on these rides. This drink is mighty refreshing. It is very humid here today. Oh, that is good. That is good. But thank you all so much for joining me on this adventure. Make sure you subscribe if you all are new. Leave the video a big thumbs up. Till my next video and or adventure, take care, be well, hey, and have a thrilling day. And happy 4th of July.